Okay, so I'm going to tell you my theory about all of this, and that is that most customers should outsource it because they lack the network expertise and they lack the 24/7 coverage, and they don't want to know about what the latest threats are. They just want them blocked and evaluated. That's the customers. Now, you as network operators, you know their systems, you know their network. You may decide that this is a profitable thing for you to do. You have the clue, you have the expertise, you have the customer relationships, and customers want to do this. And I guess my closing message to you is, while I prefer you take advantage of our solution and become our customers, you should be making the internet safer with protective DNS regardless. Our device integrations, one of the things that's nice, if you decide to change equipments, all you have to do is go back to our menu and tell us what the new servers you are. We integrate with all of these. To start, there's more. It's not a problem about the fact that you might have different types. We can do that. Of course, we can deploy it in the cloud as well. I think I'm going to close by just talking about some of the future questions here. There's this whole debate about DOH, which is the DNS tunneling through a secure HTTPS to a set of preferred providers. This is a complex subject. Browser manufacturers here are trying to get you to tunnel DNS queries over HTTPS and default to their selected providers. This makes doing protective DNS more difficult. The other thing is that you can be sure that people like Cloudflare, who is in the business of delivering content, and Cloudflare is not alone, all the content providers, content distribution networks are out there. They're not in the business of turning off the bad traffic that they have. They get paid per click, so they really don't want to edit. They'll tell you that's freedom. They'll also say that DNS privacy is security theater. I'm not going to deny that there aren't critics that say that. All I can say to you is it works in practice, if not in theory. We have never deployed this and not found infections or customer concerns that don't need to be fixed.